Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Guess what? Today is June 18th, 2021. We are here to give you all a update price prediction into the market in Blackberry. You guys can see already on my chart that we did a price prediction and the market could not maintain price above our support area. That's a massive clue to us as to what's in store for the price movement in Blackberry. So before I break all of this down, we welcome you all to our channel. We're not here to give you any FUD, any FOMO, any fear, any excitement, any hype. What we're here to give you all is a prediction and forecast as to where price is going to go so that we can win and dominate against anyone else. We got to get ahead of them in order for us to win. And if you want to join our team, join our community, you're more than welcome to. You can hit the like button, share, subscribe here to the channel, and ensure that you tap the bell notification so you do not miss out on our price predictions on getting in position so that we can win on these plays. Let's do this. So last price prediction we did into the market in Blackberry was on June the 12th, right? So it was a follow on price prediction update in Blackberry right here on this day. Okay, this is where we did our update video in Blackberry. You can check it out. It is in our Blackberry playlist. And we said that we was going to continue to keep the prediction on going because the market did not break our support line, right? Which is right there around $13.60. And it maintained price. You guys can see on the 11th, the 14th, even on the 15th of June, the market price traded above it, right? And take a look. On the 16th, it broke. 17th, the market came right back up to our line. And today we're closing right back down. So the market is giving us weakness, right? You may be bullish into the market in Blackberry, but from what we're looking at in the price chart, this price in Blackberry is giving us nothing but weakness. And we got to follow the market. In order for us to win, we have to follow what the price is telling us. We cannot live off of hopium. We cannot wish and try to expect the market to go where we want it to go. We have no control over that. So for us, if the market is telling us that it's weak, we need to play that. So let's get rid of this last price prediction. It was not correct. It was wrong. So if we were to get out right now, that's 15% loss into the market in that prediction. It goes that way. But you can minimize those losses because we're definitely seeing on a daily perspective that Blackberry is giving us weakness. Okay, so let's take that away and let's get in position, right? So now what I'm going to do, we got this very long horizontal line here into the market, and we have already determined that so far that area is massively strong in terms of restriction. Okay, you guys can see twice in the last 6 months or so, the market in Blackberry could not break up above $20. It couldn't. Now, let's look at this. Let's take this away. Don't want to keep that long line there. We just now know that $20 is a massive area of restriction in this space for Blackberry. Okay. Now let me bring this in closer, because could this be the trend that we can see the market in Blackberry come to this ascending line? Or because we can already see that the current environment that the market in Blackberry was following also broke the overall trend right there on June the 16th. We broke below the overall trend into the market in Blackberry. So again, that's another clue to us that the market in Blackberry is weak. So we're not going to be tricked. We're not going to be fooled. He's not fooling us into thinking that the value of Blackberry should be going higher, because this chart, these lines are all telling us that Blackberry is hinting at more weakness. Okay, so let me bring that back down here to see the market in Blackberry try to come and hold its overall support. Now, this is the reason why this is our trend that the market in Blackberry is currently going through. You guys can see here, we bounced off that line and we started the trend here. Okay, so we can actually see the market in Blackberry come all the way back down towards $10 or so. Now, I'm not saying that now, but our closest area of support is going to be around $12.35 to $12. Okay, now let me switch this over to a different time frame. And here, yeah, I would say around $12. would be our area of support, $12.25, give or take, into the market in Blackberry. The 3-day time frame, again, the market here is not giving us a lot of interest and strength, but one thing I can tell you is that the market's not overly weak neither. Okay, because if it were, the market would be closing towards and lower the previous close of that 3-day price bar, and is not yet, which is why I'm showing you all that $12 could be that area of support initially in Blackberry. Okay, now let's look at this on the weekly time frame, and here on the weekly time frame is where we're still seeing an indication of market weakness in Blackberry. Okay, and then again on the 2 weeks time frame, definitely is massively weak in Blackberry. So from a 2-week perspective, in the next 2 weeks, the market is still anticipated to go lower in price. 3 weeks time frame, pretty much the same thing. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put in a price prediction into the market in Blackberry. First thing I told you is that we would try to TP out the market around $12. TP simply means take the profit. That will give us around 7% initially to see the market in Blackberry come to $12. Okay. Now, when I look at this on the 2 weeks perspective, let me take this back over to the 2 weeks time frame and show you the market can actually come all the way. I really think it's going to try to hit that $12 area. That's a pretty good area of support. Okay, so not like $12, I would say like $11.25. So that is pretty much it. Okay, now let's break this down over into the daily time frame. I'm gonna bring this line here, we're gonna act as restriction now. Okay, so let me bring this here, bring that over. Oops, excuse me. And now we're in position. This is what we're expecting the market in Blackberry to do over the next couple of weeks. The 2 weeks time frame definitely showing us some weakness. So at least maybe over the next 2 weeks, we will be expecting the price in Blackberry to go lower. Okay, areas of TP is, I will say, $12.35 to $12. That would be the first area of TP, all the way back down towards $11.25. Okay, so that's it right there. Let me see something. Okay, so now it's your turn. Be a part of our team, be a part of our community. Call the market right outside with us and let us know, where do you think Blackberry is going to go over the next 2 weeks? Where would the price be? So like if you're playing options, you know, you got a certain amount of time in order for that price to move so that you can profit. So in 2 weeks, where do you think the market price in Blackberry is going to be so that you can win? Join us, make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, this is what you should know about Blackberry. See you all later.